Welcome. Thank you for being here. EFT tapping is known as emotional freedom technique. It is a powerful tool to help you release blocked energy, emotions, or limiting beliefs. By tapping on specific meridian points on the body, you're not only calming your nervous system, but also reprogramming your mind for greater positivity and resilience. As we begin, remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. Your experience is uniquely yours. Just trust the process and follow along by tapping on the body points highlighted on the screen. If any emotion arises, allow yourself to feel it, knowing you are in a safe space to release and heal. First, let's find a quiet, comfortable space. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh, cleansing air, and slowly release it out, letting go of any tension or worries. Do this a couple more times at your own pace. Now, gently open your eyes if they were closed. We are about to start our EFT tapping exercise. Stay connected to your breath and body throughout. Trust that with each tap, you are one step closer to balance, healing, and transformation. Tap on the body points highlighted on the screen and repeat the affirmations after me. Let's begin. Past limitations. Past limitations. They won't limit me now. They won't limit me now. Despite past blocks, I am open to abundant possibilities. Despite past blocks, I am open to abundant possibilities. I deserve abundance. I deserve abundance. I'm a magnet for positivity. I'm a magnet for positivity. I am attracting opportunities. I am attracting opportunities. Every tap brings me closer to abundance. Every tap brings me closer to abundance. Abundance flows freely to me. Abundance flows freely to me. I am ready to embrace success and joy. I open doors of prosperity. I feel gratitude for the abundance coming. Every moment is a chance for abundance. The universe supports my goals. I am worthy of all good things. I see abundance everywhere. I see abundance everywhere. I am fully aligned with success and abundance.